This is the spring that provides tension for the tilt mechanism. This end of the spring is basically a socket on which fits a post at the base of our assembly here. Looking through this opening on the side, where the screwdriver tip is touching, that is the receiver for where the spring goes. Rests right on top of there. Then we have our retainer cup. And that's going to go like so. Pull that baby out of there for you. So here's the slot that it slides down. You rotate it clockwise into this position. Screwdriver sits right in the hole. Got our spring ready for installation. We're going to make sure we grease her up. Trouble-free, quiet operation. Put a dab of grease inside of our cup too. Place our cup over and get her into position. They're 180 degrees opposite, so no problem installing that. So I'm going to attempt to get the spring held in place by its retainer here. So the first thing I did is figured I'd do the best I could to make it as easy as possible. So I tilted the assembly in the up position to make it as easy as possible to push down on this, because it does take some effort. So I'm standing on a wooden crate to give me the best leverage possible. I have the column supported very well in the vise, and now we're going to give it a shot. Not bad at all. I would say that the effort needed to push down on that was at least 20 pounds.